Hey, welcome to my Speedy 11 Labs voice cloning tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through the process of cloning your own voice with 11 Labs. Let's dive right in. Firstly, a quick disclaimer. Use only your voice or a voice you have permission for. Now, let's start fresh and clone my own voice. We'll head to the Voice Lab section, click the plus button, choose Add Generative, and opt for Instant Voice Cloning. It's rapid and efficient, requiring audio over a minute and free from background noise. Upload your audio. I used an MP3 from a YouTube video. Quick tip: convert your video to MP3 for faster processing. Now, add labels like accent, gender, and age. Play with the settings. Sample quality matters more than quantity. A little tweaking can make your cloned voice sound spot on. Click Add Voice, and in seconds, your voice is cloned. Test it, tweak the settings, and find the right balance for a more natural sound. And there you have it. With a bit of adjustment, you can get your cloned voice close to perfection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Link in the description to sign up and start using 11 Labs for free.